Welcome to your comprehensive guide on mastering YouTube Shorts. In today's fast-paced digital world, Shorts offer an incredible opportunity to grow your channel and reach new audiences. Understanding the nuances of this format is key to unlocking its full potential. Correct uploading is absolutely crucial for maximizing your views and attracting new subscribers. It's not just about hitting the upload button. It's about strategically preparing and publishing your content to align with YouTube's algorithm. Every step, from creation to publication, plays a vital role in your Shorts' discoverability and success. Shorts demand a unique approach, distinct from traditional long-form videos. They require quick engagement, immediate impact, and a tailored content strategy designed for rapid consumption. Viewers scroll quickly, so your content must grab attention within the first few seconds to stand out. The most important factor in YouTube Shorts' success is creating truly compelling content. Without engaging material, even the best optimization won't keep viewers watching. Focus on delivering value, entertainment, or information in a highly condensed format. Aim to create content that is inherently entertaining, whether through humor, excitement, or intrigue. Shorts thrive on immediate emotional reactions and memorable moments. Think about what makes you stop scrolling and watch something again. You must hook viewers immediately, ideally within the very first second of your short. This means your opening frame and initial audio should be captivating enough to prevent them from swiping away. A strong hook sets the stage for the rest of your content. Informative content also performs exceptionally well on Shorts. Quick tips, bite-sized tutorials, or fascinating facts can provide immense value in a short time frame. Break down complex ideas into easily digestible segments that viewers can quickly grasp. Capitalize on trending challenges, popular sounds, and current topics within your niche. Tapping into what's already popular can significantly boost your Shorts' discoverability. Pay attention to what's resonating with audiences across the platform. While trends are valuable, always incorporate originality by adding your unique spin. Don't just copy, adapt, and innovate to make the trend your own. Your distinct voice and perspective will help you stand out from the crowd and build a loyal audience. Technical specifications are non-negotiable for YouTube Shorts. First, ensure your video is in a vertical format, specifically a 9:16 aspect ratio. This is the standard for Shorts and ensures your content fills the screen appropriately on mobile devices. For optimal clarity, use specific dimensions of 1080 by 1920 pixels. This resolution provides a crisp, high-definition viewing experience that looks professional on all devices. Adhering to these dimensions prevents stretching or pixelation. Keep your video length strictly under 60 seconds. This is the maximum duration for a YouTube short. Any video exceeding this limit will be treated as a regular long-form video, missing out on the Shorts feed. For maximum impact and viewer retention, aim for even shorter videos, often between 15 to 30 seconds. Shorter shorts tend to have higher completion rates, which signals to the algorithm that your content is highly engaging. Get straight to the point. Maintain high video quality with good lighting. Clear, well-lit footage makes your content more appealing and professional. Viewers are more likely to engage with videos that are visually pleasing and easy to watch. Equally important is ensuring clear audio quality. Muffled or distorted sound can quickly deter viewers, regardless of how good your visuals are. Invest in a decent microphone or ensure your recording environment is quiet and free of echoes. Finally, create a captivating first frame that acts as your visual thumbnail. This is what viewers see before they even play your short. A strong, intriguing first frame can significantly increase click-through rates and encourage initial engagement. Strategic uploading practices are essential for maximizing the reach of your shorts. Start by using concise, keyword-rich titles that accurately describe your content. A clear title helps both viewers and the YouTube algorithm understand what your short is about. Write brief descriptions that include relevant keywords. While Shorts descriptions are less prominent than long-form ones, they still contribute to discoverability. Use this space to provide a little more context or additional information. Always include a clear call to action in your description. Encourage viewers to like and subscribe, or check out my main channel. This guides them on what to do next and helps convert viewers into loyal followers. Utilize a mix of relevant hashtags to categorize your content. Hashtags help YouTube understand your video's topic and show it to interested audiences. Don't just use generic tags. Be specific to your niche. It is absolutely mandatory to always include the hashtag Shorts hashtag. This is the primary signal to YouTube that your video is intended for the Shorts feed. Without it, your video might not be categorized correctly. Research and use trending hashtags within your niche. Tools and observation can help you identify what's currently popular. Incorporating these can significantly boost your Shorts visibility to a wider, engaged audience. Experiment with different upload times to find peak audience activity. Your audience might be most active at specific hours or days. Analyzing your channel's analytics can reveal these optimal windows for publishing. Upload consistently to keep your audience engaged and satisfy the algorithm. Regular uploads signal to YouTube that you are an active creator, which can lead to better distribution. Consistency builds anticipation and loyalty among your viewers. Engagement and promotion are vital for expanding your Shorts reach and building a community. Make an effort to engage with comments on your Shorts. Responding to viewers fosters a sense of community and encourages more interaction. Cross-promote your Shorts on other social media platforms. Share snippets or direct links on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or Facebook to drive traffic back to your YouTube channel. Leverage your existing audience elsewhere. Actively promote your Shorts within your long-form videos. Mention them, show quick clips, or add in screen elements that link directly to your Shorts playlist. This helps introduce your long-form audience to your short-form content. Collaborate with other creators to reach new audiences. Partnering with someone in a similar niche exposes your content to their subscribers and vice versa. This is a powerful way to expand your channel's footprint. Regularly analyze your performance using YouTube Analytics. Pay close attention to metrics like watch time, audience retention, and traffic sources. Understanding these numbers helps you refine your content strategy and improve future Shorts. Analytics provide invaluable insights into what's working and what isn't. Use this data to identify patterns, understand viewer behavior, and make informed decisions about your content. This iterative process is key to continuous improvement. Converting viewers into subscribers is the ultimate goal for long-term channel growth. Make it a point to encourage viewers to subscribe at the end of your Shorts. A simple, clear verbal or on-screen prompt can be highly effective. Remind them of the value they get by subscribing, such as more tips, entertainment, or exclusive content. A strong call to action at the right moment can significantly boost your subscriber count. Make it easy for them to take the next step. Finally, tease your long-form content to drive viewers to explore your main channel. Shorts can act as powerful discovery tools, introducing new audiences to your brand. Offer a glimpse of what they can find in your longer videos. This strategy helps bridge the gap between short-form and long-form content, converting casual Shorts viewers into dedicated channel subscribers. By offering a taste of your broader content, you encourage deeper engagement and loyalty.